we have a gnocchi party.
Gnocchi.
A gnocchi party, and the husband has insisted that she do the washing up first. So they're using my apartment, and then we will learn how to cook gnocchi, and then we will learn how to eat it.
Italy.
From Italy.
Potato, the water,
Cooking. For how long? 1 hour?
No, half
an hour. We're cooking 2 kilos of potatoes. It's a really big gnocchi party. And Boom Boom is making sangria. So she's at the supermarket. It's all happening here in Bali. The Italians, the Australians, the French, they're all here. Boom Boom, Laverne.
I am so exhausted. Come in.
No, we have gnocchi now.
Oh,
We have gnocchi.
well. Oh, that's wonderful.
I know, and I'm just.
They look like little bit of wombat balls.
Yeah.
Well, I've got tapas, I've got beer, and I've got tiny little Spanish quiches, and I've got rock melon with prosciutto, and I've got some beautiful bread that I'm going to cut up and make sort of the other sorts of tapas with.
You're all class, darling. You are all class.
And we'll have a lovely little beautiful thing with this later when we have our tapas and sangria.
How much?
Tanto basta.
Okay. Maybe we will put also 1 egg.
Yes.
At the end. At the end.
Sì, because io non conosco le patate qua come.
Because she said that you have a different kind of potatoes.
Right.
And this kind of potatoes probably is not the right kind to make gnocchi. Because you need a certain type of potato. They have to be tough potatoes.
No, dai.
Sometimes,
Butta giù la farina.
if you don't get well the mixed, you have to throw away everything on the dustbin. No, she wants to say the receipt. 1 kilo
Di patate.
potatoes, of potatoes.
300 grammi di farina.
300 grams of flour.
Un pizzico di sale che non è
Just, how you say, just a little bit of salt that we didn't put.
E 1 egg.
And 1 egg, usually. She has to finish everything, and so we can relax now. She's doing the job, and when she finish, she will wash very well the wood there, and it will be bring back to you clean, perfect.
Clean.
I really love how the Italians are so passionate about their food. And I just have a little plate of gnocchi here. They've given me strict instructions on how to boil the water. First we put the salt. Let's give it a little stir just to make sure that we now have a saline solution, a boiling saline solution. And then I will pop the gnocchi. Pretty much all popped up now, so I'm just going to go ahead and try one. I mean, as stated, you need to add sauce. So a little bit of a fail on the party thing, but we still have the people, but Boom wasn't in the mood. So I've been assigned to, this gnocchi's already been cooked, so I'm just going to reheat it with my sauce. I have the gnocchi. Let's party. Are you guys like mermaids or just?
Yeah, that's why, yeah,
I think
we live
mermaids.
here. We just live here.
Yeah. Dolphins.
Yeah.
We have some plate. Some plate. Pronto.
Pronto!
So this is my beautiful friend, as you are.
Paola,
Yes.
like Paola Sini.
Paola?
No. My favorite Italians.
Uh-huh.
My favorite Italians are
Uh-huh.
Rossellini, Fellini,
Ah.
Pasolini,
Ah.
all the Inis.
Yes. It's a very common surname. Ini,
Yeah,
Ini,
yeah.
Ini.
Oh, I love them so much.
No, I used to have it.
Come on, brother. I want to see your muscle. I want to see your bicep. Yeah.
So you from
Sydney.
from Australia?
I'm from Australia, but most of my life
Yeah.
I have been in Asia.
In Asia.
Yeah. I left Australia when I was 4 years old, and I was brought up in Hong Kong and Japan. My father was an assistant trade commissioner. So I didn't get back to Australia until I was 13, and by that time I wasn't Australian anymore. And I've lived in the Indian Himalaya
Ah.
for many, many years.
What? No, I like
I'm here.
sitting on the floor.
Okay, open the drinks.
So-
You're in charge of the drinks. All my time off stage, I was naked, putting another costume on.
What? It's okay.
Beautiful.
It is
Is what?
good. Very, very. The,
Thank you.
the,
Thank you.
Nice
So-
and
the
light.
sauce-
Fantastic.
the
The
sauce.
sauce is gorgeous sauce.
Thank you.
Blended sauce.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
The gnocchi,
No.
they are good, but they need some. Maybe when you make gnocchi, a little bit of salt, please.
Ma in in Italia, translator.
Guantanamera.
Guantanamera, Guantanamera,
Guantanamera. Oh, Hina Guantanamera. So you just spoke to the embassy and what?
No, the embassy they inform us that probably. No, they are sure, but we don't know in which way. From after 2 days, today is 18, on 20, the immigrants, they will give a kind of visa for all the tourists stuck here. A
Really?
visa, emergency visa, something
Ah.
like that. But we don't know in which way will work.
Yeah.
So,
Can I ask you about your style with the clothing?
when I was young, I used to wear strange things. So sometimes when I'm, in vacation, I do that.
Can I say that it really suits you?
Really?
Oh yeah.
it does.
It really
I agree.
suits you.